Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a battery in a Dodge Avenger. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is set. For many Dodge Avengers, the battery is uniquely located behind the front driver's side wheel, requiring access through the fender well. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Once loose, remove the negative cable and ensure it doesn't accidentally touch any metal parts. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal and cable. Finally, unfasten any clamps or straps holding the battery in place, preparing it for removal. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out. Remember, batteries are heavy. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors to ensure good contact. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Connect the positive cable first, tightening it firmly, and then attach the negative cable, securing it as well. Before you're done, double-check that both the positive and negative terminals are tightly secured. Applying a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals will help prevent future buildup and extend your battery's life. For more great tips on managing your finances, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.